Hi, this is Jacob McWilliams, 2013 bike check. We're going to start from the top. I got Shadow Conspiracy grips. I forgot what kind they were, but they're, 138 something. But Odyssey harness, Free Agent brakes, Odyssey brake cable, We the People Mad Mats bars, Redline racing stem, an S&M 2011 frame with some Free Agent forks, Free Agent hub, G-Sport rims, Demolition Machete tire, Odyssey Twisted PC pedals, Salt cranks, Shadow Conspiracy half link, and then a Free Agent sprocket with G-Sport rims, G-Sport rim in the back, Free Agent hub, and Demolition Machete tire in the back. Free Agent seat. Hub is okay. It's pretty loud. So yeah, don't judge me. See? Loud. Bye.